This video is not intended to replace the available installation instructions or the experience of a trained product installer. Please refer to the installation instructions for further information and product warnings. Prepare the installation location by turning off the hot and cold water supply stops. Be sure to flush all piping thoroughly before installation. For a retrofit job, disconnect any existing supply lines to the hot and cold water supply stops. Locate a suitable place for the tempering valve. The valve should be accessible for service and adjustment and as close to the point of use as possible. Connect the outlets of the tempering valve to the fixture inlets. Connect the hot and cold water supply lines to the valve. Turn on the hot and cold water supplies. Check for leaks and tighten the connections as necessary. Turn on the fixture and allow the water to flow for 2 minutes. Measure the temperature at the outlet. If the water is not at the desired temperature, adjust as necessary. To adjust the water temperature, first loosen the lock nut. Turn on the fixture and run the water for at least 2 minutes to allow the water temperature to stabilize. Turn the temperature adjustment screw counterclockwise for hotter or clockwise for a colder outlet temperature. Tighten the lock nut to prevent accidental or unauthorized temperature adjustment. Recheck the outlet temperature. Note: the sanitization function produces high-temperature water at the faucet. Only qualified and authorized personnel who fully understand the function's operation, output, and risks should use the sanitization function. The owner or manager of the water distribution system has sole responsibility to protect end users, facility employees or contractors, personnel performing the sanitization, and bystanders from scalding, burning, thermal shock, or other hazards from possible exposure to water or any parts of the water distribution system during sanitization. To initiate sanitization, turn off the cold water supply at the supply stop. Remove the blue protective safety cover. Engage the red sanitize lever to the horizontal position. Open the faucet to begin sanitization. Once sanitization is complete, close the faucet and disengage the lever to the original position. Reattach the blue protective safety cover to the valve. Turn on the cold water supply at the supply stop. And finish by checking the water temperature at the faucet outlet and adjusting the temperature if necessary for the desired outlet temperature. To learn more, head to watts.com.